Hi there, welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our 3.6 TDV8 EGR blanking kit, suitable for all vehicles equipped with the 3.6 litre TDV8 engine. This kit contains 2 aluminium manifold blanks complete with Viton O-rings and 2 exhaust manifold blanks complete with formed gaskets. This kit also contains 8 new screws for installing these blanks. You will need a T30 Torx driver, a 6mm hex key, an 8 and 10mm socket. We used a 2010 Range Rover TDV8 Sport HSE for this installation. This engine is installed in many different Range Rover and Land Rover models, so the process of the installation may slightly vary, but it should be very similar. Before you start work on the car, disconnect the battery and remove the engine cover. Now you can begin removing the electrical connections. Ideally, you want to remove as many as you can to allow for better access to the EGR pipe connections. You may have to remove a black bracket that goes over the top of the manifold. To do this, there are 3 8mm screws and 1 10mm screw that needs to be removed. You may need to unbolt a hose carrier and a central P-clamp to be able to get better access. Once the bracket is loose, you will be able to move it to remove the bolts that secure the EGR pipe. These bolts are T30 Torx bits. You may find the Torx screws difficult to access in order to remove the screws, so it's a good idea to be prepared with swivel joints and extensions. When you remove the EGR pipe, be sure that nothing falls into the voids, as this could cause damage when the engine starts. Once the EGR pipe is off, give the sealing face a quick clean with brake cleaner or fine emery cloth to allow for a good seal to be created. Now you can install the new parts. Begin with the lower blank. The gasket will retain the screws for this so that you do not drop them inside the EGR. Now you can move on to the upper blank. Make sure that this presses in evenly and the O-ring is installed correctly. Now you need to hand tighten the screws to ensure a good seal is created. You can now begin to reconnect all the electrical harnesses and connections to be able to use your vehicle again. That completes the install. Thank you for watching this X8R video. This part is now available to purchase on our website www.x8r.co.uk. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the email address or the telephone number on the screen.